This video demonstrates the coding of Python program to sum n numbers from a text file. Besides, multiple Git commits are also demonstrated to track the changes in source code. The flow of coding is shown here. First, a text file is opened, and its contents are printed. Second, summing logic is included. Finally, the hard-coded file name is replaced as a command line argument. A Git commit is performed at each step, and its sequence is shown here. Let us first create a text file with numbers. Touch, numbers.txt. Let us add comma-separated integer values. Now create a program file. Touch, sum n numbers v2.py. Let us start writing the code. File equal to, open, within quotes, numbers.txt. File dot, close. For line in file, colon. Print of line. Python 3, sum n numbers v2.py. The file contents are now printed. Let us git commit, with commit1 as message. Git add, sum n numbers v2.py. Git commit, -m, commit1. Now that we have opened a file and printed the contents, let us code to sum these numbers. Sum equal to 0. For I in line dot split, of within quotes, comma. Sum equal to, sum plus, int of I. Print, sum. Python 3, sum n numbers v2.py. The output 399 is printed. Let us perform another commit, commit2. Git add, sum n numbers v2.py. Git commit, -m, commit2. Let us make changes to have the input file from command line argument. Import sys. Replace numbers.txt with sys.argv of 1. Python 3, sum n numbers v2.py, numbers.txt. Now the input file is given as command line argument. Let us perform the third commit, commit3, and push these commits to remote repository. Git add, sum n numbers v2.py. Git commit, -m, commit3. Git push, -u, origin master. Here is our program in GitHub. Click on History to view the entire commits. The 3 commits are here. Clicking on the commit message will show the history of changes. This is commit 1. This is commit 2. The lines that are changed is shown in green background. This is commit 3. Only 2 lines are changed. To summarize, we have implemented a Python script to sum all the numbers in the given file. In addition to this, we have performed 3 commits and 1 push to view the changes that take place in source code. This will be helpful when you develop a larger application.